Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చేసే ఒక్క లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ నాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ DBMS డేటాబేస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టంలోని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్. మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్, the level of data abstraction which describes how the data is actually stored is option A, physical level, option B, conceptual level, option C, storage level, option D, file level. Answer chesi option A, physical level. Second bit, the level of abstraction describes only part of the entire database is called option A, conceptual level, option B, view level, option C, procedural level, option D, none of the above. Answer chesi option B, view level. Third bit, object-based data models are used in describing the abstraction of the following levels. Option A, conceptual and view. Option B, only physical. Option C, physical and conceptual. Option D, only conceptual. Answer chesi option A, conceptual and view. Fourth bit, an association of several entities in a entity relation model is called option A, tuple, option B, record, option C, relationship, option D, field. Answer chesi option C, relationship. Fifth bit, the overall logical structure of a database can be expressed graphically by option A, data flowchart, option B, flowchart, option C, direct graph, option D, entity relationship diagram. Answer chesi option D, entity relationship diagram. Sixth bit, in an object oriented model, only object can access data of another object by passing option A, instant variable, option B, variable, option C, message, option D, function. Answer chesi option C, message. Seventh bit, the collection of information stored in a database at a particular moment is option A, view, option B, instant, option C, scheme, option D, none of this. Answer chesi option B, instant. Eighth bit, the overall design of a database is called option A, scheme of a database, option B, the screen of database, option C, structure of the database, option D, view of the database. Answer chesi option A, scheme of the database. Ninth bit, the concept of data independent in similar to the concept of dash. Option A, data type, option B, abstract data type, option C, consolidation, option D, isolation. Answer chesi option B, abstract data type. 10th bit, the tables generated on complication of data definition language are stored in dash. Option A, data abstraction, option B, data dictionary, option C, data file, option D, metadata. Answer chesi option B, data dictionary. 11th bit, the statement requesting the retrieval of information is usually in the form of dash. Option A, report, option B, query, option C, data entry screen, option D, record. Answer chesi option B, query. 12th bit, the part of data manipulation language that involves information retrieval is called dash. Option A, query language, option B, report generation, option C, data definition language, option D, meta language. Answer chesi option A, query language. 13th bit, this is not one of the function of a database administrator. Option A, granting of authorizing for data access, option B, schema definition, option C, interaction with file manager, ఆప్షన్ డి స్టోరేజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ యాక్సెస్ మెథడ్ డెఫినేషన్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి ఇంటరాక్షన్ విత్ ఫైల్ మేనేజర్. 14th bit. Data about data is normally termed as dash. Option A metadata, option B data dictionary, option C database, option D none of the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option A metadata. 15th bit. A variable programming language corresponds to the following in entity relation model. Option A instant, option B record, option C entity, option D key. Answer వచ్చేసి option C entity. 16th bit. The mapping cardinality for a binary relationship between entities set A and B can be option A 1 to 1, option B 1 to many, option C many to many, option D all the above. Answer వచ్చేసి option D all the above. 17th bit. The number of entities to which another entity can be associated via a relationship set is expressed as dash. Option A entity, option B cardinality, option C scheme, option D attributes. Answer వచ్చేసి option B cardinality. 18th bit. If entity X is existence dependent on entity Y, then X is said to be option A subordinate entity, option B dominant entity, option C primary entity, option D secondary entity. Answer వచ్చేసి option A subordinate entity. 19th bit. One imitation of the entity relation model is that is cannot dash. Option A using generalization, option B express relationship among relationship, option C use one single primary key, option D none of this. Answer వచ్చేసి option B express relationship among relationships. 20th bit. Every weak entity set can be converted to a strong entity set by dash. Option A simple adding appropriate attributes, option B using generalization, option C using aggregation, option D repeating the entity set several times. Answer వచ్చేసి option A simply adding appropriate attributes. Thanks for watching.